Hello everyone. So today we got the new album of Stray Kids! And I think you should know. It's Karma. We shall open this now. Okay, so this is the back and this is the front. And it's like in a folder, so wow. I don't know what I should take out first. So this is wobbly. Okay, so next up is Fountain. Wow. And I think it's in age order, so it's Lino. Changbin. And Cruella de Vil. Hyunjin. Oh my gosh. Han with nose thing. And Bias. Felix! Sungmin. And Maknae Ayena. Maknae on top. I just saw the photo card. It's actually... That's a lot. Oh my gosh! So these are the backs of the photo cards, and the first one that I'm gonna show is Sunmin! Oh my gosh. So cute. And then Hyungline. Oh my gosh. I can't tell if these are still photo cards. But there's like a really thick pack. Should be open. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. They look so cool. Okay, so Bangtan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin. That's just a group photo. Han. Can't see. Felix. Sungmin. And Ayen. Okay. So I think the rest of these. I don't know. It's another one. My room will be full of posters now. And then another group photo. Oh my gosh. They look so handsome! So many! I'm not sure what...
That's the wristband.
These... Oh yeah, these are wristbands. Yeah, they give you wristbands. And this.
Where you put the photo card.
Oh yeah. And then these are the photos as usual. And the CD, which I don't know if I should touch.
In the middle. Here's the middle.
It's very cool. Karma! Okay, I think that's it for now. Bye bye! Peace!